Come back to the second tutorial. Now in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to navigate your SEO. That is the search engine optimization. So let's go back to the post that we just uploaded. So this is going to be a very quick tutorial, right? Now, great. So now we have uploaded our song. We've done everything that we need to do. Everything is looking good. So we want to now make it searchable and friendly on Google site, right? Maybe when there's a breaking news, for example, or maybe there's a popular gospel song or a popular Afrobeat song that just dropped, and you want to be the first, you want to draw traffic to the site, you want to be the first for your website to be showcased on the Google search, at least the first page in Google search. So this is what you want to do so that when people search for that song, your site comes up, right? So now this is the Yoast plugin. I'm using the premium version. So you can see that our readability is good, our inclusive language is good. And then what that means is that it is readable, clear, and concise. No redundancy. I didn't repeat any words. I didn't try to make things too spammy on my write-up. I just went straight. Reason for the Season by Joseph Kabulu is a sensational Christmas melody that brings back the goosebumps of the Christmas season to individuals. The song is a stark reminder of what Christmas is and the love of Christ. Christ has demonstrated for us. So show some love by downloading, sharing, and commenting today. Enjoy. Simple. I didn't go far. It's only when you're writing article, for those of you that will be doing article later on, that is when you will need to have a lot to think about. So for now, you can see this is how it looks like on the Google search. This is absolutely zero, so we cannot make it look like this, right? So what we want to do here is to, first of all, this title, I will advise you leave it as your slug. Don't alter it, just leave it the way it is, right? Even though it's showing red. And the reason why it's showing red is because our title is too long. So by the time I start deleting, sorry. Yeah. So by the time I start reducing our title from this page here, from the top side, you'll see that this red will show green. You understand? But that doesn't matter for now. What matters is the meta description and the focus keyword. Take note, the meta description and the focus keyword. So what is meta description? It's just highlight of some of these things we wrote here, right? That is you coming here, copying it, right? And taking it down to this place. So by the time I paste it here, you see that it's showing orange, right? So we want it to be green. So I will delete some until it becomes green, right? Great. So now it is green. So I'll remove that dot. So it is now green, right? So now go back again and look at what it looks like. You see that it has adopted Reason for the Season by Joseph Kabulu is a sensational, and so on and so forth. Then the next thing is your focus keyword. What do you want this song to be known for? Example, is it download Reason for the Season? There are many people who might have done songs like this, right? Now you can see now that this SEO is showing orange, which is good. If it is a focused keyword or over focused keyword, it can show you other color. So it's showing you orange. Okay, let me take it back to download again because it's a song, right? I can come here and say MP3. Let me see what it looks like. It's showing red. So it's not friendly. So I'll remove the MP3. It's now taking us back to orange, right? If I say by Joseph Kabulu, it's going to be too long. You don't want it to be too long. So it's frowning. It's showing red. So Let's take off this Joseph Kabulu. So we can't go, this is the best we can do. There are times when you put in focus keyword, key phrase, and it shows you red instantly. But if it shows you orange and then it shows you green, then you are good to go, right? You can't get everything at a glance. You can see it's partially smiling here. So let's look at what we did right. It's going to score you, right? So the only way you see that, see we have 7. Hmm? Our score is 7. And what did we do right? Our key phrase in the title. He said it does not contain the exact match, but it's still okay, right? And you can improve it. The image key phrase is good. Our image is good. Our key phrase length is good. Our meta description is well done. You've not used the key phrase before, it's very good. And more than half of your key phrase appears in the slug. What is the slug? This part here that is showing red. That is, I'm sorry, this particular thing here. This is what is showing red. Let me complete it. Great. So this is the slug, right? So now, and title, your page has a title. Well done. So this is some things that we have done right. So you don't want to go beyond this, right? You don't want to go beyond this at all. So if you come to the desktop view, this is how it looks like on a computer system when you are looking at it, right? And then if you come to your mobile view, this is how it looks like. So you have to give it time once you have published this or update this so that Google can pick it up, right? So now we'll just for you to know, okay. So just for you to know, we've not submitted the site to Google yet because we are still doing a lot of things. But once that is done, by the time you work on your SEO, you will see that things will begin to take shape. Your songs will start getting discovered on the Google search and other search engines. So by the time you are done, you come to this part and click update. And once you click update, everything is now in place. And just as a tip, always ensure that you come back to look at the SEO. Maybe when you've observed that there are other songs like this and yours is not really performing well on Google search, always come back and tweak one or two things so that you get to get the best of what you need to do. So I think this is that for SEO. Until next time, I remain Joseph Kabulu. Thank you for listening and goodbye.